taco trucks, but look over there. That must be it. That must be it. Okay, I'm gonna go check it out. What are these? We better build that wall. I don't think these trucks can get through a wall. I don't know who's gonna pay for it, but wait a minute. These all have to be taco trucks, right? Wait a minute. Korean barbecue, Russian food. Okay, this must be the taco. Shawarma? That's not a taco. Wait a minute. Vegan. Oh Lord, we may have a larger issue here. Greek food, Persian, Vietnamese, chicks and sticks. I don't know whether I should feel angry. Venezuelan style. Hold on. Chat pack. I'm not sure what that is. I don't see a single taco truck out here, but I think the only real feeling I have at this point is hunger. Thank you.